Welcome to another video of Synprix. In this video, I'll be talking about Docker Compose. So on docker.com, you can go down here and look for the docs. I'll be clicking here on write a Docker Compose file. And here you will see the Docker Compose file. The Compose file will show you what is the structure of that. So illustrative example is here. The Docker Compose file will start with the services. And inside this services, there will be different containers. So this is one container, which is foo, another container is bar, another container is baz. And if you understand the structure here, that foo is in fact taking an image called foo. Bar is taking an image called bar, and its profiles, it is using a test profile. Similarly, baz, which is pulling the image, it depends on bar, which means that once you create baz, it depends on bar as a container. So this container is dependent on this container, and it uses the profile called test. So here is top level element. So first one top level is version. So you can see here in my compose file. So services is the root, version is the root. So this is the version of Docker and then the service. And then within service, these are all the containers. And within the container, these are the images, container name, and then the environment. So depending upon what environment is required to set up service, set up the container, so these environment variables has to be defined here. Now suppose for the WordPress website, image is WordPress, export is this, and the environment, DB host, DB user, DB password, and DB name. So this is the structure of the compose file. Then again on build, you can specify the specific build configuration of the container image. And then here you can mention block IO configuration, the weight and the weight devices. Then networking as a top level element, front end services and network will be front tier or back tier. And then volume as a top level in case the volume needs to be created separately. So volume can be defined and it can be created. In case you want to define the secrets also, so you can mention the secrets, for example, server certificate and file of that server certificate. If you are implementing containers, it is not difficult. Docker Hub, so which will be hub.docker.com. There are millions of available applications that can be installed now, for example, MongoDB, Nginx, Node.js, Redis, MariaDB, Traffic. So I'll show you Traffic also, which is very popular. This was all about creating the compose file. I have provided the link in the description where you will understand that how the Docker compose files are created to get various applications and to get various services. See you next video. Take care and goodbye.